Welcome back, Monkey. Say hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today, I'm going to be showing some October flowers. We've got some dianthus. If you see these. Dianthus. These from Thompson & Morgan. Made in pink. Brilliancy. Hardy perennial. That's that, dianthus, also known as carnations. Then we have some viola. Pot puree mix. There's the instructions for those. And then helium autumn lollipop. Those are the instructions there. So, first of all, I'm using some compost. This is cotton compost from last year. I sieved it, got rid of most of the old leaf matter, and just going to be getting this in here. Get to a decent level. Get any old leaves out if you can. Any big lumps, just get your big bits of old wood like that. Give it a good, in between both your hands, good rub. And what I like to do then is put a little bit dry this, so what you need to do is just give it a little damp off, a little bit of water, just to help it settle in. And what I'm going to do then is get my little homemade dibber, flattener. This helps get you nice even level so you can see your seeds and make sure everything's above board. Hope everybody's keeping alright. Got the wood burn on today. It's a cold day out here in South Yorkshire. Sorry I've not been posted, I'm not doing too well, but getting back to it now. Can't wait to get these seeds down. So first of all, let's sow the carnations. Get these open. Just get some scissors, folks. Try to nip inside and get some scissors. Always like to put them from the bottom. That way, keep them nice and neat and tidy. I'm not going to sow all these because there's 200 seeds in here and I don't need that many, nowhere near. So I shall name tag him first so I know exactly. And I also like to sow 3 or 4 different types of seed per tray, because as soon as these germinate and they get to a decent size, these will be pricked out and potted on, so they're not going to be in here for very long, just long enough to germinate properly. So that's probably a quarter of those sown there. That goes back up. But yeah, the perennials are gorgeous and the scent on them is amazing. So yeah, that's your easy to grow Thompson & Morgan dianthus. There are all the instructions there. The next one, onto one side. Get these sown on. Helium autumn lollipop, hardy perennial again. February to June or September to October, so perfect time to sow these. Put the name tag in the middle. We have 80 seeds in here, so I've got this packet wet, so I'm going to actually sow the lot because I don't want to lose any. The packet being wet. So, you can see those seeds there. Bottom tiny, absolutely tiny. So we'll just get these, snot these in like so. Make sure you're getting every nook and cranny if you don't want to waste any. How much were those? I can't remember how much those were now. But they're all from Thompson & Morgan's website. Back to one side. Then we have, last but not least, viola. Pot puree mix. There's 50 seeds in here. I'm going to sow all these as well. So we'll get these sown. The last one. And I'm just going to cover them all with a fine sprinkling of compost, water them in, and then put them on my heated trays. Just give you on the top like so. That's all those sown, which is great. Then all we do then is fine sprinkle of compost over the top. Dry compost is really good for this. A really nice thin layer. Where's the tag there? Just show you the instructions in case you want to go back to those. So yeah, all I'll do now is give them a little water on the top. And then we shall put these in my tray across here. Show you this. There, into that tray. As you can see, all I'll do with this then is put a little bit of water into the tray. Like so. Then all we do with that is lid over. Lid over and set up my propagator for 20-25 degrees. Should be fine then. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask me a monkey. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.